Well, it's not morning. It's, what is it, 12:40 right now, and I'm at work, obviously, and I'm having my smoothie. So I forgot to film what's in my smoothie this morning. So what's in here is one banana, pretty much half the blender stuffed with greens. I did spinach, and then I did the power greens from Costco. I like those ones. They're really good. They have a nice mix of stuff in them. What else do I have? Frozen mangoes, frozen raspberries, unsweetened almond milk, and water. And I forgot to put any of my greens powder or anything in. I was really tired this morning because somebody snored all night. Gee, I wonder who that was. So look at, you could see the huge bags under my eyes. Yeah. So already today I've had 1 liter of water with half a lemon squeezed in. Here's my 2nd liter of water with my aminos in there and half a lemon that I'm gonna drink now. And yeah, I'm just gonna have my smoothie and work. It's freezing here today and I'm freezing drinking my smoothie. Tastes good, but I'm freezing. And I have my cute Mickey Mouse straw. My new straws are my favorite. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue working and I'll see you guys at snack time. Hello again. I'm still drinking my smoothie. But I just got my delivery from well.ca, so I thought I'd open it with you guys. Show you what I got. I didn't really get much of anything, but maybe you wanna see. So when I was in Edmonton with Erin, I found these Enjoy Life lentil chips, and I fell in love with them. So I ordered them from well.ca. So this is dill and sour cream flavor. These are so good, like ridiculously good. Yum yum. They're kind of high in fat, but as, you know, as a snack for every now and again, it wouldn't be so bad. Yeah, so this is the dill and sour cream, and then I also got one of these ones, which I haven't tried yet. So this is margarita pizza flavor. Sounds really good. Yeah, lentil chips. And I also got these Papa Bubble unicorn candies. Yum. Yeah, aren't they cute? So cute. These are all handmade. I love these candies. They're so good. Good to have at work for if you need a little something sweet. And then these I'm really excited about. Here comes Brenda. I'll get to show Brenda everything I got in my box. So I got these Fizzy Pops. Says suitable for vegetarians, but they're actually vegan. So ginger beer. Oh, you'll like that one. I hate ginger. Okay, all the ginger beer ones going to Brenda. Pink lemonade, cola, and cherry aid.
Nice. How do you know? You'll like them all and then give me the ginger beer ones?
Nope, the ginger beer ones are going to be the clear ones.
Oh, okay.
Those all have your name on them.
Okay.
And I think that was all that I got. I got multiples of my favorite kind. So when I open them to try them, I will film it for you guys. Okay, we're back. Because we have to try these. So I've got the cherry aid. Brenda's got the ginger beer.
I think, okay.
We think. Oh, they're really stiff.
I put the whole thing in.
You did?
Oh my god, mine's ginger beer.
Is it?
Delicious. So good.
Mine's cherry. Do you want to try mine?
Mine's really good. You want to try yours?
You can try it. Or try to bite.
I don't like to bite things, so I'm going to just put it all in my mouth.
Just put it all in. Just go for gold.
Ooh! Yours is more sour than mine.
Just at the start. It's very stiff. Was yours
Good.
is stiff?
It's stiff.
It's good. Stiff. It's good.
It's good.
Those are winner. Winner. Not chicken dinner. That was a good one, hey? So it's after work now, and I forgot, I'm really sorry, to vlog my snack. It was mangoes and cucumbers, and I'm at yoga right now. And here comes my yoga buddy bringing me some tea. Thank you, darling. Yum.
It's chocolate mint.
Mmm. Super good. That's really good.
That is really good.
Do I say hi?
Oh, sure.
Here's my other yoga buddy. Who's gonna be teaching us tonight? I'm excited to meditate. I'll see you after. Good morning, everyone. Hope everyone's having a great morning. It's my favorite day of the year. My birthday. Today is May 8th, and it's my birthday. I'm working, but that's okay. Get some flowers. That makes my day happy. Yeah. I think it's been a little bit since I ended off last. I don't remember. Sorry, I'm really bad at this apparently, but life has been crazy and my hair's just all weird. Yeah, so I just forget to video. So I'm just gonna work and we're gonna do something fun after work. So I'll see you shortly. Hi guys, it's after work now and we are rock climbing. Well, we haven't started yet, but we're going to rock climb for my birthday. There's only 3 of us here right now. Everyone else is coming in a bit. Trickling in.
So you can see.
Kenzie's going first.
Oh, film me. I'm gonna have a weird like butt.
You don't have a weird butt. You're good. See? Look at you go.
Scared to let go.
No, letting go is the best. It's the most fun
Honestly,
ever.
your mom was terrified.
Yes.
I'm actually terrified of letting go.
Oh, I was so
So
terrified.
she was like, how do I let go?
You just let go. Just push
Remember
up.
what she said though? Yeah, with your hands, let go. Yeah, just let go. Just let go.
You're not going any higher?
Go higher. Go higher.
Go all the way to the top.
Yeah, poof. Yeah, poof.
Just let go and you're done.
Jump. Yeah.
Yoo-hoo!
Okay, that wasn't that bad.
No! Here comes Braden and Quinn now. Woo. So Braden and Quinn are here now, and they're gonna climb. Which one's you guys gonna climb?
I like that one.
Here's Braden's maiden voyage on the wall. The red ones are the deepest, bud.
The green one or not?
No, they're not.
Ones are not.
The green ones are not. That's how I jammed up my finger. You do have huge feet. You're doing it. You're doing it.
You're killing it. I don't want to put my pulleys away.
I have a bag over there. The Just Cozy bag is mine. Good job, bud. Yeah. Good save.
Touch it.
You're almost there. You're almost there.
Don't be a wuss. Touch the top.
Woo! Yeah.
Now let go.
Now let go. Let go, Braden. It's so fun. Sit back like you're in a chair and just let go.
Let go.
Let go. Let go, Pat. Let go.
Let go.
Let go. Woo!
Good job.
What'd you think, Braden?
Kenzie free phone, she was 120.
Don't unhook yourself. Oh, I got some of you on there, but not all of it. Okay, I made the letting go part.
Let go.
Happy birthday to you.
You can.
That's awesome.
You know what's gonna be easier because that.
This is awesome.
Yeah, sit on your bum.
Yeah, sit, like you sit down, Brayden too. Sit on your bum. Like totally drop your body. I can't.
Birthday to you. Woo. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Woo.
Yay! I know what that is. Is that Dea?
Yeah.
Yes.
Is it good?
Yes. Fucking amazing.
Almost left.
You.
They say we were 22 times 2.
You can't have a birthday without a birthday cake.
No, you can't. Definitely can't. Thank you so much for watching my video. It's the next day now. Yeah, I had an awesome birthday. It was super fun, and we will be continuing on my birthday celebration on Saturday, so come back for that video. Thank you again. If you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of my videos, hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Bye.